Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from VastLite. Now this here is their Sima. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this box. Now it shows here that it's 2200 lumens. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's here. Start off here with a user manual. Front and back. English here. Well, let's start off here with the specs. It's pretty big on this little sheet here. 2200 lumens is the highest output, as you can see there. Now if you need more time to read this, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise we're going to move along. And we've got one USB Type C charging cable, flat, small. So it looks like we got some tiny little O-rings here. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. It's got some weight to it. There it is. Yeah, let me take this off here. Yeah. There it is. It's got your side switch here. It's got a battery level indicator behind here. Now this is my first time ever reviewing one of their lights. Now as you can see, it's got some textured reflectors. Now it just says these are high output, high performance LEDs, so they're not saying what they are. So they're probably an in-house brand. You do have a clip on here. Looks like you can remove it. It's got some good resistance on there as well. Now my understanding that this is magnetic, so it can easily hold its own weight. Strong, no issues there. Looks pretty good. It's got a flat finish to it. Can table stand that if you need. Super compact. You can hold that easily. Seeing more and more square lights like these, a little bit longer as well. Becoming more and more popular. Now the machining and finish on this is nice. Not seeing any issues here. I'm not too sure. You probably could unscrew those, maybe to take the two, I believe these are 14500 cells in there. Here's the charging port there. And the style and design on this is nice. No issues there. It's got some weight to it. Nice. always nice to get new manufacturers. Now I get a lot of lights that just don't pass evaluation, so I get a lot of those as well. Alright, well normally I'd open it up and show you the insides, including the batteries, but this is a sealed unit. So now let's go ahead and go through the UI. Now I have not charged this yet, so let's see how it does. I turn it on. It is locked out, as you can see. So now we're going to click it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the light comes on. Do have a nice battery level indicator there. It will shut off after a momentary. And now you can go ahead and simply click on the switch to go through the light outputs. Now this is definitely cool white. Let's take a look here at the beam. Pretty impressive beam actually. It kind of has a little bit of a combination attitude, but it could be, yeah, definitely could pass for that. You can see it's really intense here right in this area, and then it's got a large area outside of that. Pretty bright, man. It's amazing what they can do nowadays. Press and hold, turn that on and off. I've already showed you. Now if you do want to get the 2200 lumens, we'll see how the battery does. We're going to double click 1, 2. Get you the 2200 lumens. Look at that. Coming out of this little light. It's amazing. So we're going to go ahead and turn it back down. Now from off, let me go ahead and press and hold to turn this off. Now from off, we're going to press and hold to get moonlight. Once you do that, that is on. Now we can double click 1, 2. We'll get you strobe. And that is a constant rate on the flash. And we're going to double click again. We'll now get you SOS. It's pretty fast. Double click again. We'll now get you a beacon. One click turns it off, so you'll go through the modes and be done with them after that last one. And then we're right back to the regular UI. Now this will memorize the last light output that you had it on. Press and hold to turn it off. Turn it on. So it's nice to have memory mode, especially on a light this size. Press and hold turns it off. Got the moonlight again. And that is probably maybe a half a lumen. Hope I can pick that up. That's pretty amazing. And we're right back up to the regular part of the UI. 2200 lumens, that's a lot of light. Man, a nice beam on here. And that's all there is to this light. Now you can also do stuff with the side light using 7 clicks, but I'm going to leave it because I like to be able to have it turn off momentarily. You can change it to where it'll stay on all the time while the light is on. It's up to you. I like it when it goes out like that. Very easy to operate this, nothing too difficult. impressive. Not reviewed any lights from them yet as of today, and this is a nice little light. Rugged, it's got some weight to it. The LEDs, not too sure what those are, but hopefully they'll give some good performance out there in the night shots. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this VastLite out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the VastLite Sima. We're going to do it on the lowest setting from off. And it is on, believe it or not, real dim, super dim, probably maybe less than a half a lumen. That's about the best I can do up close, and I mean I'm within 1 foot from that fence. Let's go up to the next level, see how it does. There we go. To make sure my finger was on the button there. A good battery power there. 65 feet to this tree from where I'm standing. Water spout 38 feet. All faintly making that famous tree of life. There it is there. Let's go to the next level. Let's do it on the water spout. See how it does. Nice. The mist is rolling in. I did have clearness earlier, but it's been really cold, so it's kind of a hit and miss. Nice beam performance on this. 65 feet there, 38 feet there, 138 feet to the famous tree of life. Now I do have a link below all my videos showing the testing area here and how far everything is. Check it out if you have any questions or doubts. Let's go to the next level. Look at that. Nice still area. And it is making that tree. See the skeleton. Now, this was a lot clearer earlier. It is pretty cold out here. Say in the upper 20s. So we're gonna go again up to the next level here, see how it does. And we're back down, so let's go ahead and do turbo, see how it does. Wow, look at that. All coming from this little thing. Impressive beam performance. Now the mist is just kind of rolling along here, but that's the type of weather we're having right now. Now it has cycled down, so I'll do turbo one more time. Should be able to do it maybe a couple more times. Kind of crazy like that. There it is again, look at that. Well, the mist is really coming through, but look at this. Wow, starting to cycle down again, which is normal. I don't want this thing getting too hot. It's pretty warm, but it's not getting hot at all, actually. We'll do turbo one more time. Let's see how it does. Up underneath the fog, Not really. It's really starting to come in good here now. Yeah. Kind of comes and goes. You can keep doing it over and over and over, of course, but it's got a nice safety feature in it. Yeah. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. This VastLite is impressive. 2200 lumens coming out of here. It's impressive. The Sima is kind of an interesting model, but this being my very first time reviewing one of their products, I'm impressed with it. Definitely is a nice step new into the market, if they are brand new, not too sure. But this is impressive not only in build quality, but also performance. So you've got a lot of power here, but such a small, compact little light. I mean, it's just super compact, in my opinion. Great for everyday carry. It is a little bit on the heavy side, but I don't think that's going to be too much of a problem. I'm not too sure about opening this up. Normally I'm okay. Maybe if the batteries start having some issue, I'll open that up later on. But right out of the box, it did well. I did charge it before I went out there, so I believe it did well. And the LEDs in here, like I said, they don't say what they are, but they're most likely a house brand. And other than that, easy to operate this. Number one, USB Type C, charge it on the go. Magnetically stick it to a metal object. You've got hands-free as well. Okay, well, I want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this VastLite Sima to review. Now remember, this is a complete kit, comes with everything you need. I will leave a link down below this video, including a special discount code where you can get this, save some money on it as well, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you could please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from VastLite through Banggood to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.